Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a pretty special event going on. We're meeting up with Dave from DDE at PFS. We're going to be going down the Pacific Coast Highway, and what YouTube channel better to go than Pacific Coast Motives? So that's what we're doing. We're on our way there right now. We just sprayed off the car. We didn't get to wash it yet because it was kind of late notice, but when is anything planned with us? So we'll be there in a couple minutes and I'll show you guys what kind of cars we should be expecting to see on this cruise when we get there. Stay tuned. Right here we got Project Aston Martin, PFS's famous Aston Martin. Look at this hood. This hood looks crazier in person. Vents, motors, mounts. Of course we got a super fast all black. This thing looks dope. Tesla, Vorsteiner kit. Woo! And we got the drones out there doing their thing. This M3. Eric Carbontastic shows up. We're rocking one of these two over at the Hyatt. It's definitely a must when the car is just sitting in the sun all day. Gotta protect that dash. Ooh, what's that for?
It's for E36, E30. It's kind of put in a display.
Gotcha.
Can hold that.
Yeah, dude, that thing's tight. I actually never held one. Yeah, guys, definitely hit up Carbontastic if you need your steering wheels. Look at this gloss. Woo! I'm a huge fan of gloss.
Yeah. Gloss is, dry is cool.
Yeah.
This is special. Gloss is classic. Just everything matches.
Yeah. Oh, I love the stitching too. The red and blue stitching. Look at that.
The M stitching.
Woo.
And with the M color top ring.
I like that. That. That's nice. I've definitely hit them up, guys, if you need your carbon steering wheels. They're sexy. And of course, this thing is aggressive. This thing is clean. And this thing is ridiculous. Oh, I didn't even notice the license plate. Look at that, Dave DDE. You don't think anyone can sit back there?
There's no way anybody can sit back there unless you're like cradled like a little baby.
I think it's possible.
I don't think so.
He's doubtful. Oh, did he leave? He did. We missed our exit. He's already. Oh, never mind. We thought Dave left us.
Get gas.
Gas? Sounds good. I don't know where gas is. I'll follow you.
I do. Is that a V8?
You're the R8, man. You're trying to clown on everybody over here. We are over here, over at Gladstone's. We just ate, and this view is phenomenal. The weather over here is perfect, and we came over here with Dave from DDE, and we met a skinny fly guy over here in his white 570S. These things are crazy, and we're about to go do some drone footage over the Pacific Coast Highway, so stay tuned for that. Alright, how's it going, guys? Welcome back. We finished off today pretty good. I didn't really record a lot, just out of respect for Daily Driven Exotics vlogs. I know they spend time and set all these things up, and it's really their time to make a vlog, so I did some recording where I could, not intruding on their vlog, but it was a great day. We got some tunnel runs in, we got some freeway runs, we got some Pacific Coast Highway footage. If you haven't already subscribed to me, do so now. Also, go over to Daily Driven Exotics, subscribe to them, and watch the video that they're going to be posting, because it's going to be some crazy drone footage, and I honestly can't wait to see it myself. So that's it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.